Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on this dude. I know it's bad quality because I'm recording from my laptop. The M24 Airsoft BB gun, right there. Hop up, okay. So, got this for $9.99, just BB. So yeah, trying to do this crap. Okay. Solid. Don't need that. Okay. So, this is what it looks like inside the box. It comes with the. Oh crap. Well, that just went terribly wrong. Okay, standard. Okay. Comes with the gun itself, silencer, and comes with the gun. Comes with a silencer. You can just see that right there. And a bag of BBs would have been there. Not there. There. But I'll use them all. And it used to come with a thing. It says on this, it comes with a suppressor. Mock. So yeah. That's it. And let's put it to the side. And all that's left is the gun itself. Just cut that out. We don't need that. This is the gun. Very nice. Very smooth. Look, makes me blink. To get the mag, a little button on the side. I'll push that. Mag comes out. I'll show you that again. Mag to load them out. Pull the spring down. Sorry. Pull the spring down. Oh. Annoying spring thing. Basically, you pull the spring down and lock it into the side, and then you can only do this by putting them in your hand. You feel the BBs into there. Let go of the spring. Insert your gun. Oh, safe. Right there. Safety on. Safety off. Load. Real smooth. Very smooth. Fire. Oh no. So firing sounds like this. Easy blink. Got the suppressor, and this is what it looks like with the suppressor. Let's just screw that on. It's a simple screw on, but it's not simple. So I have to do it like this, but it is simple now because I've done it. And that is how it looks with. Can you get it all in? Yep, I can. That is how it looks with the suppressor on. Exactly the same sound. It's very smooth. Exactly the same. Holy crap. Just unscrew that. Alright, there you go. Just take it out. Again. And yeah, that's it. That's been a review on the M24 Airsoft BB gun. This has been Liam, and basically all I can say is thanks for watching.